for I baby bia ubia me ma wakwaba ediba Xposed GSO wunu abema limo elikem kwame amega me na me de asem de bi ebro I enye de kra ayasem a wo se uso otie bi na asem ni na de se ya papa ya sofu sunsun sorry sofu aye friend no Ajagurajah enso mo edin ankofo edi friend no ye choba sofu I odifo sukoko enie ensem bebre a obetumi di eden edi afreno na we ene interview no ewo Joy Prime na interview no eno all kire say I God is the same as Satan oni bia wo wiase no you have a good spirit and a bad spirit who is saying that they don't have a demon and tiebani say na nipa okra wo to bia na adwemboni eba odrim you have a demon in you the same way you have a good spirit in you na osatoa so eka say eya ubehu na obi say ai me obi ni me abeda obi ewale me hwe wo ma me wota ewo time a obe ba wale wo wo ton ade wo kwan wo boni dwale wo ma me wota onya time enko ha Nicki Minaj any Drake mu ye wo eno ba be disturb debi eno wotoa so eka say hwe na kebe se na obunsam Satan obe sore prekope akosoro na okate na ko so o ma ne kwan na onye den ombe so bunsam enhwe. That means God, he works with Satan. No such democrat said Lucifer is even different or different from what Satan said and comfort said Lucifer is same as Satan. It is the opposite change now say I a democrat sound in the spiritual world no politics. It is even politics. I was your for a Christopher yawo Ghana yet in some me say den yet in some me say ubre bebre no yenkotie dia. Suffer Ajagurajah ekran.
Oh, the spirit of the Lord had departed from Saul, and an evil spirit from the Lord tormented him.
The spirit of who?
The spirit of the Lord
had left Saul, and an evil spirit from who?
The Lord.
No, from Satan. I told you God has two spirits, bad and good. So we all have one. So the good spirit of God left Saul, and the evil spirit from God himself. And you said you don't have a demon, right? You claim you don't have a demon.
So God has a demon.
God has his own demon. Satan is working for God.
All right.
God is the same as Satan. One day I will elaborate more.
God is the same
as Satan. There's a difference between Lucifer and there's a difference between Satan. They are brothers.
So God is Satan.
God is the same as Satan. When you go born in the bad side of bonsam, the good side of the mankuma. Obiase bonsam ni Nyankopon kwa ye den na bonsam timi call heaven kwa sere Job kra. Abraham Michael and destroy bonsam. It is politics.
So they are playing politics.
I'm telling you that nyanya bonsam ka wafu nyame. Anya police ni anka be traffic lights so. Na si IGP ba ya na ni adi nya obi aya mre Ghana yi tamtie ya be chew obi aya discipline IGP be chew en kan ya sa de ni obi aya de ope Nyankopon hu se ni pa nye kwa go bonsam can take over eti bibia de shabonsam adinti na David Kofu obi wan fan shabonsam. Where was Satan? Why did the Bible not make mention of Satan when Israel for no move free Egypt? Other than New Testament in Kwana Bibia Christopher Bibia Bonsam na yo. Bonsam kwa nimu. I'm telling you, it will be a cleaner or jubilees Obiana Kufado, Nana Kufado Nimno. Bonsam nimu wa ye jezi e no be yo. What o ye dey? Eh, onye Nicki Minaj wie na wo ni mo. Omnibusa question. Mimiti akwaso ameka banku Nana Kufado ni me. But oni minister important me ka banku me hu hia ana bonsam na yo bonsam say mama water na me da wo mama water house of program bona wo mama water ojo ma ya bara so na no bi no da mama water na me da.
So there's nothing like spiritual marriage?
There's spiritual marriage. We influential na mama water no abeda. What do you have mama water pel? Question na me busa. It is all about the to try to say fry pie na wo say me chesu obwa. Get back to that was a war, my bear man knows the work. If you're not drawn out the iron war. Oh, let's be realistic. Forget about Satan, Satan, you'll be.
So are you saying that the spirits only attack influential people?
Yes, other than Illuminati for pay influential people. Yeah, go camera man, one sort of join lodge said in the one. Uncle say, baby, President Kofomo join and not 2 for something. Uncle be so you didn't be with one. See, I'm one of some gate in another one. One for one say, we are never just to camera by Prime Joy, also where Master got out to camera anyway. Where's that in the we minister? Say, we are never just be told personal TV because join lodge.
For what's nice in your and I would see ya. Ebia wone ne adwen ebia wone ne enya adwen eno nti na comment section no ewo ho share your ideas na kire wadwen aha de ye de nsam ne ba na wo so wa kire wadwen ewo comment section no na wasa share ama obi so ensan ye den akebi e Kristo so mo de ensam ewo mu bebre munu abema limo enne ejamu esia na me ka cho se dwumako a eso ma se me srewa eso ma se eye neat roofing se o bodan so na undu roofing ya contact for omo contact no na onyomu di adwuma na oba bebo odan so kama e de ama se eya na afimu na wusi so na edu roofing ne dia ene from because fear na kokosi December no wo ye adeben promotion na promotion na wo ye no o se obebo odan so ama onje work ma ai achitemu e de ama ebusianfo da sende ha ena mdimis makramo
Oniado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan ena wasiewie ena wo penchen papa ede aboso anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasa krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansi aje womo atum ni true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda